Yes, hi friends. In previous sessions, we are already discussing one more advanced sorting concept, that is list sort, right? So that list sort technique is not well suited for med sort as well as quick sort mechanisms, right? So here, uh, for med sort and quick sort mechanisms, we are using table sort technique, right? So by using table sort technique, we are maintaining one auxiliary table for each and every record entry, right? So here this table sort is mainly applicable for medsort and quicksort mechanisms, right? So here, first of all, in this technique we are maintaining one auxiliary table. So maintain one auxiliary table for each record entry, that can be denoted with the help of T. So simply we are considering one more array. So in that we are considering some value for each and every record entry that can be represented with the help of one table, right? So here in table sort, generally there are two cycles are formed. At the time of table sort, generally two cycles are formed. One is trivial cycle. Second one is non-trivial cycle. Trivial cycle and non-trivial cycle, right? So here, what is trivial cycle and what is non-trivial cycle? So in table sort, we are checking one condition, that is, if T of I not equal to I. So this condition becomes false. Trivial cycle is formed. So which means, so this condition is failure. No need to apply any procedure. So simply T of I is equal to I, no need to apply any procedure. So that is nothing but trivial cycle. So coming to non-trivial cycle, if T of I not equal to I, condition is true, we are apply some procedure. Then we can swap the elements in the list, right? So these are the two major operations in table sort. One is trivial cycle and non-trivial cycle. So in trivial cycle, if T of I is equal to I, so that condition is true. We are not specified any procedures. So here, coming to non-trivial cycle, what is the condition? If T of I not equal to I, then we are apply some procedure. So that procedure can be represented with the help of function definition. So here I am writing a function definition for non-trivial cycle, right? So procedure is only existed for non-trivial cycle, not for trivial cycle, right? Why? Because so in that T of I is equal to I, there is no need to apply any procedures, right? So here I am writing the function definition for non-trivial cycle. So here I am taking void. So function name is table sort. So here I am creating function definition for table sort. So that's why here I am creating one user defined function, that is table sort. So in that we are representing key values that can be represented with the help of one array. So that's why I am taking one array. So in A of 100, so we are passing number of values in the array that can be represented with the help of n. So for table value storing purpose, we are considering one more array that can be represented with the help of int temporary of 100. So this function definition is only applicable for non-trivial cycles. So in non-trivial cycles, we are checking one condition. What is that condition? What is that condition? If t of I, so if t of I not equal to I, so this condition becomes true. We are applying some procedure. That procedure is nothing but to form non-trivial cycles, right? So if t of I not equal to I, so this condition checks from I to less than or equal to n. So here I am taking 1 to less than or equal to n. So for I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. So if t of I not equal to I, so what is the procedure? So here temp is equal to e of I. So temp is equal to e of I. So temp is equal to e of I. J is equal to I. So here we are checking one more condition with the help of do while loop. With the help of do while loop. So k is equal to e of j. E of j is equal to, so simply this is nothing but swapping process. E of j is equal to e of k. T of j is equal to j. J is equal to k. So here what is the condition? While t of j, while t of j not equal to I, then e of j is equal to temp. E of j is equal to temp. T of j is equal to j. So here I am closing this one, this one, this one. So here we are initialize some values now. So what are the values? So int temp I j k and j k. So this is the function definition for non-trivial cycle. So this is the function definition for non-trivial cycles. Non-trivial cycles. So based on this function definition, we are swapping the records using table sort mechanism. We are using this function definition. We can swap the records in table sort, right? So this table sort mechanism is applicable for quicksort and mergesort mechanisms. For suppose if I want to sort large number of records in quicksort, mergesort, so simply we are maintaining one table. So in the table we are representing each and every entry number, right? So for suppose if the list is limited number of elements, then general procedure is enough to sort all the elements. For suppose if the list contains large number of elements only, we can apply list sort as well as table sort procedure, right? So this is the function definition for non-trivial cycle. So based on this function definition, we can sort all the elements, right? So here I am taking one example. So how to sort all the elements based on this function definition in table sort, right? So here